What's up, guys? I just pulled up to my buddy Lars's house, and I'm gonna pick up some harnesses today and some double-sided 3M tape for my Gurney Flap. But let's go check it out. Here's Lars' Integra. Lars.
What's up, man? How's it going?
Dude, you're gonna be part of the daily vlogs now, man.
Oh, cool. You got a mic and everything?
Yeah, dude. I'm fancy, bro.
I wish I had a setup like that.
Ours is a 240. Yeah. This time next year, it's gonna be wide-bodied.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh. Baby.
One day.
Lars got it for free, right? Right?
It was like
something like that. Yeah,
$900. Practically free.
Practically free, man.
Better than what they charge nowadays.
Dude, look at this. Wow. Wow, I'm gonna be a real photographer, guys. Fake brides. I respect that.
Bro, it's not fake. This is 100% authentic, man.
What to do today?
Putting on that Gurney Flap right there. Look at that.
Straight out of Japan.
This is like 20 horsepower gains. eBay said so.
Here. Lars is gonna cut a piece of my my seat rails and brackets because I can't fit these seat belts.
Yeah, should be good.
Oh no! There they are. Some eBay harnesses that are probably gonna kill me. But YOLO, am I right, Lars?
Death is not an option, man.
Exactly. No airbag, crappy seatbelt. We die like real men out here. Lars got his Mugen Gen 2 wing. It's real. It's real.
Yeah, bro. Real as it gets. Straight from Korea, man.
Oh, baby. Yeah, what's up, son? Bruh, I'm so mad. I forgot my SD card for my camera, so I gotta record my phone like a scrub. Damn. Not even low. Not even low. Who is this guy? What's up, son? Damn, you look cute, boy.
I'm always cute.
We got I be living low key, aka Julian. I'll do a highlight for that later. We got my boy Isaiah.
Is it still leaking oil?
Yeah, I'm leaking hell oil, dude. Nah, yeah, from the not from the head, from the valve cover, V6 solenoid, and the cam seals.
Once the tape goes on, man.
What you talking about? It's just tape.
I know, but still.
Yeah, it
The
looks
rest
good.
are doing shit.
It looks good.
What do you think, Victor? Does that look
What's up,
good?
boy? What's up, boy?
Is it on there already? No, it's
Nah,
just
it's
placed
just-
on there.
You think I look even? Oh, damn!
Damn.
You ruined the whole car.
Car behind me, bro.
Damn.
Are you good?
So anyone gonna take the EM1 yet? Or the EM2?
I don't know. Everybody's saying they want it, but they don't want to come pick it up. Come get it.
He's like, go ahead.
I'm not even gonna say it anymore.
Sticky as shit.
Like, you look like you could survive a couple weeks without food. This nigga look like he survived a couple hours.
You're hella dumb, bro. Hey, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. You know, it was a little bit of a mixture. I initially planned to do the Gurney Flap install of Lars, but I did forget my Gurney Flap at home, unfortunately, but I did get it on. So it is on now currently. I did also drill some holes into the flap so nobody could steal it, like eliminate it to his GTR flap, but also mine's Integra, so I doubt someone's gonna try to steal mine, but regardless, I didn't get that part on video, but it's the same thing as eliminates video if you want to look at that one. And for a highlight for all my other friends' cars, I'll do that later. Lars's just kind of took too much time out of my day, so I got kind of lazy, but you can expect more edits to do. I'll eventually do an overview of my car right here, but I'm a little too lazy right now, and I got family in town, so It probably won't happen for like another 2 to 3 weeks, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.